All right, guys, got the 1100 back over here in the shop. It looks pretty good. Got a few little things done to it here and there, but today we're going to try to pull this wheel off and go and get this tire changed out and maybe get a front fender on there if we can make it work. So try that, but it looks pretty good. All right, we got a fender bolted up. Now we gotta get this tire over here. All right, new tire is on. Put the fender on. That looks pretty good. So I'm actually gonna be throwing this thing up for sale here pretty soon. Got another bike that I just picked up that I haven't showed y'all yet, but I'll run this down the road, see how it does, and take some pictures of it.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at amsoil.com.
All right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.